Hey, it's me again. Just going to update you on a few projects that we've had around the shop. You've been keeping up. You've probably seen this old drill press before. Uh, we got been in a little while waiting on some parts, and I just felt like I needed to get out here and do a little something. I've got some plates and different things that I've got established which need some holes drilled in it. Now I'm getting my fabrication tools together. So let me update you on this drill press. Point till the parts came in, it seemed to have began to be a catch-all. Now it's a Walker Turner company. I'm not sure. I saw one that was in a picture that was 1927. I would say it's around 27 or 30 or something like that. Got a little oiler up here. The belts on the old thing it has different channels it can go in for speed. Got it set up, bought me a little vise to go on the bottom of it over at Harbor Freight for a little bit of nothing. I feel like less than 20 bucks. Got to get some bolts for it. But the whole thing is, when I got it, it wasn't working. So what we're going to do today is show you how I got it working. And it was pretty simple. And this may be what we'll run into on all of these old things. Here we go. Like I say, it ain't been nothing but a catch-all up to this point. But I've got to cut this one off. This one is that was kind of just an old plastic capacitor or paper capacitor on it. I got it from a new one from Jessico, pretty close. I tried to order one and couldn't get it, and then I got it local here in Tupelo, and it wasn't very high. So we're going to see if this is going to work out. I'm going to get it out of here. Made some wires, some ends for it, and I'm going to get it mounted up. Now, this is the original piece that was up there. Like I said, the capacitor was a paper capacitor. So I'm going to have to take this capacitor, probably wrap it with something to get it to fit that real good. The main problem I've got right now, as you see, is these wires off that other capacitor are very short. The capacitor, they went straight into it. There weren't any plugs or anything. So I made some wires to bring it up to where I could use it at the top. But right here, I want to make sure I get a little bit of wrap on here where they don't cut in, and get that safe, and then we'll try to fit that capacitor. There's no doubt it's a strong drill press. There's just nothing baby about it. I feel like it'll do all that I need to do. Sometimes I have to deal with slotting hinges and different things, and a whole lot of fabrication. Everything seems to have 15 holes in it, but other than that, I think it will really do the job if we can get it working today. I got a good deal on it. I spent a little bit of money here, but not much money compared to the strength and the ability of this machine to do its machining. Be a great tool with our fabrication stuff that we're getting together. Got a lot of ideas. Hope it works. Now, of course, let me tell you, I am not an electrician. So, this is how I'm doing it to fix my machine. And I'm almost positive that this is going to take care of it. Going to get everything stripped back. What we're doing right now is restoration work. I am not an electrician. Now, saying that, there's this bracket that the old capacitor went in. So we want to get that back up there. We want to try to line this other capacitor. I did say it was a paper capacitor was in it. So I'm kind of thinking we can wrap this thing with some sandpaper, give it a little girth, and put it in this thing and put it back up there and possibly make it look like it did in the beginning, but work this time. All right, from what I'm looking at here, it seems to be adjustable. Let's see what we got. Yep, think we're there. Let's see what we can do with that. I took a little something. Let it run a minute. This point, till the parts came in, it seemed to have began to be a catch-all. Now it's a Walker Turner company. I'm not sure. I saw one that was in a picture that was 1927. I would say it's around 27, 30 or something like that. Got a little oiler up here. The belts on the old thing it has different channels that can go in for speed. Got it set up, bought me a little vise to go on the bottom of it over at Harbor Freight for a little bit of nothing. I feel like less than 20 bucks. Got to get some bolts for it. But the whole thing is, when I got it, it wasn't working. So what we're going to do today is show you how I got it working. And it was pretty simple. And this may be what we'll run into on all of these old things. Finishing this drill press is just a small thing, but even the small thing in a fabrication shop make it your job easier. And they don't have to be brand new, they don't have to be very expensive, but I kind of like to have fun with my tools, and I like these old tools. It's got a little history about them. Hey, life goes on, and we're going to continue to send out videos. I know I've been not putting them out like I normally do, but this is part of my therapy, I guess you'd say. So hey, if you'll stay tuned, if you'll subscribe, if you'll like this video, and maybe even look back and see what has went on in the past with this channel, we'd appreciate it. God bless you.